The man on trial in the fatal shooting of this 14-year-old girl 3 years ago is having his day in court and is representing himself. Brian Goggins is charged with the murder in the killing of Tamaya Sanders.
Her family says she was walking out of her home in Brentwood when the shooting started, and 3 other people were also hit by gunfire. Goggins decided he does not want a lawyer and made his own opening statement to the jury today. News 4 Jax reporter Scott Johnson covered this crime back in 2016 and was in the courtroom today, and he's joining us live from the Duval County Courthouse. Scott.
Mary, this got very tense in the last hour. Goggins cross-examined a man he's accused of shooting, also accused of murdering the little girl who was very close to the man he was cross-examining. So a lot of tension there. The judge also getting frustrated with Goggins, saying, look, this is not law school. I'm not here to teach you the law. You decided to represent yourself, which is what he's doing inside the courthouse. In a suit with a folder filled with files, Brian Goggins walked into court today to defend himself, literally without a lawyer. Goggins presented opening arguments and questioned witnesses, claiming he is not responsible for the murder of this girl, 14-year-old Tamaya Sanders, who was killed when just walking out of her home, where 3 other people were also hit with gunfire.
And I want to present the facts to give you the reasonable doubt, which would be the belief that there's a real possibility that I, the defendant, could have committed the crime.
During court today, prosecutors argued that Goggins' mother got into an argument with neighbors over one of the other children she had and went to get Goggins himself. Moments later, they claim he drove by and fired into a crowd, hitting 3 people, and the 4th victim was Tamaya, shot in the head. Goggins questioned witnesses who took the stand, including people he allegedly shot, asking if they had been drinking and if the scene was dark. Some said yes to the drinking. Other witnesses say they were fully sober as they watched 2 vehicles pull up and 2 men come out with guns.
Did you see the person out in the black truck with the black gun firing?
Yes.
What did you do when the shooting started?
I ran. When he started, I ran like toward back to Kenyatta door, and that's when my daughter did. They said she was hit, her mom was hit.
And I want to clarify something. It was originally reported by police this was some sort of block party. The family says that's not the case. There were some people outside when the shooting happened. Tamaya was just a 14-year-old girl walking outside of her home. When she walks outside, she's caught in the crossfire. Looks like court is letting out for the day, and they should be back again tomorrow. We're live at the courthouse. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.